Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're going to play against India and we're going to play a 5-over match, and I'm going to try and beat my highest score. So now we're not going to continue the previous match. So we're going to play at easy bowling level, normal pitch, stadium number 6, and it's going to be a 5-over game with 100% bat shield. And I know that I'm choosing 100% bat shield because I want to beat this score, the highest score that I've scored so far, 136. So I'm going to try and score 137 runs in 30 deliveries. So again, playing against India. Let's see. Weekly high score leaderboard. I am act number 1, as you guys can see already. So let's now go ahead and start the game, and let's see. Okay, cool.
A flat pitch, excellent conditions for batting.
As I told you in the previous video,
umpires and fielders make it to the middle. It's time for action.
That the graphics, the detail,
this magnificent
commentary,
stadium is
a lot
sight
has
to
improved
behold.
in this game after the recent update.
The stands are absolutely packed.
Williams and Shahid Afridi.
Here is the first ball. Right arm
batsmen.
fast bowler from over the
Bowling
wicket.
kara jaake. Okay.
Umpire signals power play 1.
Play the
a
first
chance for
delivery.
quick runs.
Let's see. I'm gonna try and score as quickly as possible because my target is 137
That was such a lovely sound of the
in
bat.
30 balls,
Gets off the
and
mark
that's
with
my
a 6.
first 6 straight down the ground. Beautifully middled. So good start.
Terrific strike.
That's
from the
another
bat.
6. This was middled.
That's
From the
another
middle of the
6.
bat. We changed the fielding.
Fielding
Doesn't matter,
changes
bro.
are done.
He's going outside the ground. 12 runs, 2 balls.
Batsman
And this is
absolutely
towards
catches
the
ball.
leg side.
Another 6. That's 3 on the
Middle.
trot.
So 18 runs, 3 balls. Can I hit 6 sixes in this over?
That's a clean
This is
strike.
the 4th one. Absolutely
Make that 4.
smash, middle of the bat. Beautiful. 24 runs, 4 deliveries. Let's see what happens in the next 2.
Batsman slashed that
This is
ball.
another one, I think. Yes, it is.
First
5
milestone
sixes
for
and
that.
5 balls.
Total
30
score
runs.
is 30. Time to raise the bat.
Okay.
Straight long off. Has been moved to long off.
This is the 6th
That's
one.
put away with ease.
Oh, am I becoming
He's done it.
Yuvraj Singh?
6 sixes in an over. How do you
6
stop him?
sixes and 6 deliveries.
A tough over for
36
the
runs in
bowler.
the first
The batsman
over.
has made the most of it.
Amazing start.
Left arm fast bowler
Who's the
from
next
over the
bowler?
wicket.
Who are you, brother? Okay, so he's the left arm fast bowler. Pace is 100 to 120. And outswing, inswing, leg cutter, off cutter. Slow ball.
Power play 2
Okay.
can have 4 fielders outside the
I
30-yard
don't like
circle.
bowlers when they bowl from this end. Let's see. And have to use the leg side more.
That's a terrific
But
shot.
this is going for 6. Straight down the ground.
That's a 6 and batsman is off the mark.
Okay, so we've scored 42 runs and 7 balls.
That's hit with
And this is
tremendous power.
the biggest of them all. Out of the ground.
Consecutive 6s for the
Did you
batsman.
see where the ball go? Wow. Amazing. Good start. 48 runs
Fielding has been updated.
in 8 deliveries.
That's a
This is
stunning
another
shot.
This has also gone
That's 3 and
out
3.
of the ground.
Hasn't been a good over
So
from the
9
bowler
balls so far, and I've hit 9 sixes. Can you believe that? You better.
That has been hammered.
That's another 6. All of them straight down the ground.
Incredible. 4 6s in a row. Interesting field change here. They're trying to plug those gaps.
Can I hit 6 sixes in this over?
He's hit that one into
Oh,
the
I
stratosphere.
think it's a catch. No, man.
Fielder keeps his
It's
cool
not
and
good.
takes it smartly.
Have to be cautious now. I only have one more wicket remaining.
That's a glorious shot.
I think it's a 6. It is.
Off
Although
the
it wasn't
mark with a
timed.
6 though.
It
Bowler
was
has
an
gone
edge.
for plenty in this over.
is okay, 66 runs in 2 overs. That's a bit.
What a stroke.
That's a good shot. That's a very good shot.
Batsman is just toying with the field.
Middle of the bat. 72.
It's gone miles
Come on, don't catch it. Don't catch it.
That's a heart-stopping moment for the batsman. Batsman is
Actually,
forced to change in the field.
for me.
What a shot.
This was a slow delivery.
Half century for the batsman. Superb innings so far. Time to raise the bat.
82 runs so far.
Batsman,
This is a good one. This has gone
Batsman
way out
clears
of
the
the ground.
boundary again. Long on.
88 runs so
Is
far.
brought to
I have 14
straight
more
long
balls.
on. That's a cracking
Another
shot.
one. Straight down the ground.
3 of 3 deliveries. Can't get better than this. Batsman smashed that ball.
That's also out of the ground.
That's 4 sixes and 4 balls. Costly
Oh my
over
god.
this.
India, I feel for you. I feel for you,
Left
India.
arm medium fast from
Okay.
around the wicket. Bowler
We've got
gets a bit
12 more
more
deliveries.
protection
We've
with his
already scored
defensive
100.
field.
I think it's a great chance for us to score a big one today. Let's see what happens in the next 12 deliveries.
Top quality strike by the
First one is a
batsman.
6.
Great awareness from
I
the
know
batsman.
Indians are hating me
Took
right
advantage
now.
of the field change.
Yeah.
Batsman thrashed the ball hard.
That's a big one.
Whoa, 2 sixes in a row.
112
field
runs
change.
now.
Field has
10
been
more
moved
balls
around.
to go. I just can't afford to lose a wicket.
Swings
Oh,
hard,
no.
but gets a bottom
This
edge.
was bad. This was bad. Where did it hit?
13.
It's a bottom edge.
Runs coming off it already. This is going to be a big one.
Okay.
A big heave. The ball is soaring in the air.
Thank God they brought this fielder in.
Batsman finds the
Otherwise, it's a
boundary.
catch.
Really hit that hard.
Slow deliveries
That's
there?
gone miles.
What do you think?
Straight long on. Has been moved to long on.
123 runs now, 7 more balls to go.
This is
Come on, don't catch it.
Batsman exhibited great control throughout the innings. Straight to the
no.
fielder.
This was a bad
This bat's contribution is 80.
finish.
A huge over comes to an end.
Anyways, I was able to score 123 runs. Unfortunately, I've lost 2 wickets, otherwise I was going pretty good. Yeah, I could only play 4 overs. There was 1 more over to go. I could have scored, I think, a good total, but anyways, if you enjoyed this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you want to watch me playing this game more, let me know in the comments section. And all the Indians out there, I'm sorry, I feel sorry for you. Couldn't beat my high score, but I think I played pretty well. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.